Function Feud, today's host, Geometric!
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to today's episode of the Function. The object of this game is to be the first person with the most points on the graph. Simple, right? We have two contestants, both eager to win the grand prize. Our first contestant, all the way from Sokoto, Alaska. And our second is all the way from Inver City.
Okay, first question. What is the sign of pi over 2?
The sign of pi over 2 is 1.
That is correct. Next question. What is the cosine of pi over 2?
0.
That is correct. Next question. What is the sine of pi?
0.
Next question is worth double points. What is the cosine of pi?
2.
Ooh, I'm sorry, that is incorrect. But still, contestant number 1. What is the cosine of pi?
The cosine of pi is -1.
Correct. Okay, next question. What is the sine of 3 pi over 2?
-1.
Is that right? That is correct. Next question. What is the cosine of 3 pi over 2?
0.
Yes, that's correct. Next question. What is the sine of 2?
7.
Ooh, I'm sorry. Now let me finish the question. Contestant number 1. What is the sine of 2 pi?
0.
That is correct. Now guys, time for triple point. What is the cosine of 2 pi?
1.
Yes. That is correct.
Are you tired of boring bland hair?
You need something new.
Well, it's time you try.
Big, sexy hair.
And you can get it for 3 easy tickets of $6.99 by calling the number on the screen.
And if you call now, we'll throw in chocolate chip cookie. Dang it, it's upside down. Chocolate chip cookie man. Welcome back to the Function Feud. And now it's time for Fast Money. And today our winner was contestant number 2. It's time. Fast Money. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer 5 questions. The clock starts after I finish reading this first question. What is the range of the sine and cosine function?
1, -1.
What is the domain of the sine cosine function?
Infinity.
What is the difference between the cosine and sine function?
When you shift it, from
What-
left to right.
What number does the sine function start on?
0.
What number does the cosine function have? 1 second.
Chicken.
Okay, contestant number 2. To win the grand prize, you need 100 points. Let's ask the survey. Question number 1. What is the range of the sine and cosine function? You answered 1, -1. Survey says 28. Question number 2. What is the domain of the sine and cosine function? You answered infinity. Survey says 16. Question number 3. What is the difference between the cosine and sine functions? You answered shifted left or right. Survey says 30 points. Alright, Question number 4. What number does the sign function start on? You answered 0. Survey says 25. Alright. You have a total of 99 points according to the survey. Alright. For this last question, you need 1 point. Just 1 point. And you win the grand prize. Question number 5. What number does the cosine function start? You answered chicken. Oh, I don't know about that one. Survey says 1! Oh my god! You won today's grand prize! You win! Here's the prize of big sexy hair! Hey. Congratulations! And that wraps up today's episode. Until next time, we will see you later.
That's all, folks.